Hey everyone, good morning. So today I'm going to show you how to do beach waves in short hair. This is my favorite hairstyle to do in my length of hair right now. What I like to start off with, the best for beachy waves is always like the day after or second day after of not washing your hair. Your curls do tend to stay a lot better that way, and you get that nice beachy texture look. So I am a parter offer, if that is a word. I think it's super important to always part off your hair, because then you just get the right curls, that you want. And in order to do the waves, I use my amazing wand. I love this thing. I don't wear a glove. Usually these come with a glove, but I just can't get used to it. So I have had a lot of trial and error of burning myself, which this is my burn arm, but I've gotten a lot better with not burning it. So here on this side, so I always start inward and towards my face, and then I wrap upward. I know some people like to wrap down, but I feel like you get a really nice way of doing this, especially for shorter hair. And then once I get all my wave pieces in, then I go back in with like a texture paste and some oil just to give it that messy look. Just barely holding the tip of it. I'm not really going like all the way down here, just holding it out, because that's how you get that beachy wave too, by leaving the ends out a little bit. I wrap away from my face. So if you put it right at your root and then you wrap upward. The size of hair I like to take to make my waves. wand that I'm using is a 1 inch, which I think is perfect. If you want these big beachy wave curls too, you want to use a wand that, as you can see, it is one width. It's not, you know, thicker at the bottom and then it gets skinnier at the top, which some wands are. I think this size and this width is the best for these type of beach waves that you want. So you can see in the back here, I am just rolling back. Like I said, like my hair already has some curl to it in the back, so I don't go all the way down to my nape, because that back hair I just kind of scrunch it up like this with my hands and with some product. So I don't know if you can see the back. Okay, so now that I have all the waves set in there, okay, I'm going in with a paste from Rusk. It is the Being Rubber. So what I like to do is just get about this much, and then I rub it all on my hands like lotion. And then I go in and scrunch everything up with it. And then kind of just piece it out. And then I just go in with a little bit of hairspray in the back here. And there we go, we have messy beach waves.